Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Forza Horizon 6 error on your Xbox, specifically this one. So, let's get straight to it. First thing you need to do is go to your settings, and what you need to do is just restart your console entirely. Just go ahead and turn off console, and then once your console is back up, on your menu, go ahead and click on setting once again. On settings, go ahead and click on general and network settings. Over here, just go ahead and click on advanced after. Once on advanced, go ahead and click on alternate MAC address. Over here, once you click on MAC address, just go ahead and click on clear. Once done, go ahead and click on DNS settings, back on advanced settings, and then click on manual settings. What you're going to input here is 8.8.8.8. This is a Google DNS server, which has the best server here. Just on the secondary one, just put in 8.8.4.4. After that, on advanced settings, click on alternate port selection. Go ahead and click on manual. Over here, just go ahead and select 54102. This one's also the fastest for your port selection. Once done, go ahead and try your Forza Horizon 6 on your console, and it should be working fine. If this video helped you out, please leave a like. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.